The next question is, what is Schotten-Bowman reaction? This is one of the important reactions of the aromatic primary amines. The Schotten-Bowman reaction can be illustrated by means of this example. Take aniline or any other substituted amine, primary amine also. Maybe we can take para-toluidine. Always we are taking amines, so we will take para-toluidine. This is para-toluidine. Para-toluidine is para-methyl aniline. When it is treated with compound known as benzoyl chloride, this is the acid chloride of benzoic acid. Just like acetyl chloride is corresponding to acetic acid, this acid chloride corresponds to benzoic acid. This is known as benzoyl chloride. This is not known as benzyl chloride, but this is known as benzoyl chloride. Now, when this is treated in the presence of sodium hydroxide, actually this amine, this is the nucleophilic attack of the amine on this with the elimination of Cl. So that it gives rise to C6H5, one hydrogen goes off, from this NH2 one hydrogen goes off, and then CO, get this, this is known as benzanilide. This is actually, this is also benzamide, phenyl derivative of benzamide, or this is known as benzanilide. This is one of the methods, this is one of the derivatives of aniline on treatment with benzoyl chloride. Normally, the reaction is carried out by taking aniline and treated with benzoyl chloride, shaking it up with a little bit of sodium hydroxide. The purpose of sodium hydroxide is to remove the HCl. One hydrogen is removed from here. We have NH2 here, only NH here. So the hydrogen and this chlorine goes off and it is removed by means of sodium hydroxide. So a mixture of this amine, this is instead of aniline we have taken a substituted aniline and then treated with benzoyl chloride and add few drops of sodium hydroxide solution, put it in a small test tube or a boiling tube, close it up with a nice stopper and shake it vigorously, you get the product which is known as benzanilide. I will write the name of the compound. It is known as benzanilide. This is known as the benzoylation. The entire process, since we are introducing a benzoyl group on amine, this is known as benzoylation reaction. So benzoylation of aniline is affected by means of benzoyl chloride in the presence of sodium hydroxide to give a product which is known as benzanilide. This reaction is known as Schotten-Bowman reaction. This is one of the very important reactions for the preparation of the derivatives of the amine. You get the corresponding amine. This methyl group should also be there. This methyl group anyway is not going to be affected, but methyl group is also there. Supposing we have any other group like ethyl or any other group, that group is not affected. It is only the amine group that gets affected in this.